Laser engraving machines are a game changer for hobbyists, creators, and professionals looking to engrave on materials like wood, leather, metal, acrylic, and glass. Whether you want to personalize gifts, create custom artwork, or launch a small business, choosing the right engraver is essential. In this guide, we highlight the top 5 best laser engraving machines, offering a balance of precision, power, and ease of use. These machines provide high-speed engraving, deep cutting capabilities, and user-friendly controls, making them suitable for beginners and experts alike. From compact, portable designs to industrial-grade performance, these laser engravers deliver exceptional detail and efficiency. Let's explore the top options to help you elevate your creative projects and business potential. Number 1. LaserPecker Laser Engraving Machine. The LaserPecker LP1 Pro is a compact and portable laser engraver designed for beginners and creative professionals. Weighing just 190 grams, this mini engraving machine is perfect for on-the-go projects and small workspaces. It can engrave on wood, leather, felt, and more, making it ideal for customizing gifts, crafting, and DIY projects. With a 10,000+ hour lifespan, this engraver offers long-lasting performance and consistent precision. The basic set includes laser safety glasses, ensuring safe operation while engraving. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy setup and use, making it perfect for hobbyists and first-time users. Whether you're creating personalized designs or starting a small business, the LP1 Pro delivers high-quality results effortlessly. Number 2. Creality Laser Engraver Machine. The Creality Laser Engraver Machine is a powerful and precise tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a 10-watt laser output power and 72-watt machine power, it delivers exceptional cutting and engraving performance on materials like wood, metal, acrylic, glass, leather, and more. Its 0.06mm high-precision laser ensures fine detailing, making it ideal for intricate designs and creative projects. The large 17-inch by 16-inch working area provides ample space for engraving various items, from custom gifts to professional artwork. Whether you're crafting personalized products or enhancing your business with engraving services, this machine offers reliability, efficiency, and versatility. Easy to set up and use, the Creality Laser Engraver is perfect for any creative workspace. Number 3. Ortur Laser Engraver Machine. The Ortur LaserMaster 2 Pro S2 is a high-precision 10,000 milliwatt laser engraver designed for both professionals and hobbyists. With an impressive 15,000 millimeters per minute engraving speed, this machine ensures efficiency while maintaining accuracy. It can engrave and cut a variety of materials, including wood, metal, acrylic, glass, and leather, making it ideal for crafting, business applications, and personalized projects. Featuring an advanced laser Class 4 safety system, it includes emergency stop functions and flame detection for secure operation. The sturdy frame enhances stability, reducing vibrations for precise results. Whether you're creating intricate designs, custom gifts, or professional engravings, the Ortur LaserMaster 2 Pro S2 offers power, precision, and versatility in one compact machine. Number 4. Aufero Laser Engraver Machine. The Aufero Laser Engraver is a beginner-friendly 2-watt diode laser engraving machine designed for precision and ease of use. With a 15.7 by 15.7-inch engraving area, it provides ample space for various creative projects. The 2,100 milliwatt laser power ensures clean and detailed engraving on materials like wood, leather, acrylic, and more. This machine is ideal for DIY enthusiasts, small businesses, and professionals looking for an affordable yet efficient engraver. It features a user-friendly setup, making it accessible even for beginners. The compact design allows for easy placement, while its high-precision performance delivers sharp and intricate designs. Whether for personal crafts or professional projects, the Aufero Laser Engraver is a reliable and versatile tool. Number 5. Usongshine Laser Engraver Machine. The TTS55 PRO40W laser engraver is a powerful and upgraded laser engraving machine designed for precision and versatility. With 5,500 milliwatt laser power, it efficiently engraves and cuts materials like wood, metal, aluminum, glass, and leather. This high-performance engraver is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, artists, and small businesses. Its advanced laser technology ensures sharp, detailed engravings while maintaining high-speed operation. The upgraded version features improved durability and enhanced cutting power, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. Whether you're customizing gifts, creating artwork, or engraving business materials, the TTS55 PRO 40 watts delivers outstanding results with ease. Its user-friendly design allows for simple setup, ensuring a smooth engraving experience for all skill levels.